Hello everyone and welcome to the Viral Stocks Weekend Recap. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of viralstocks.io, and today we're going to be discussing CYN, RDBX, VAXX, ITP, BAOS, BBI, and DWAC. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Viral Stocks and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at viralstocks.io/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Overall, not too much to get excited about here at Viral Stocks and small caps. We did have, though, two winners. Last weekend, I talked about CYN for all of you in the weekend recap. And then my colleague Brendan, he talked about RDBX this week. CYN, since last weekend, it'd be up 105%. In RDBX, be up 75%. And everything is posted on viralstocks.io. You can go and type in any symbol and see what we've had to say there. You can see RDBX. Talking about it all week. Ended on strong on Friday on a high note. And you see here, we said next explosive squeeze stock is here. Next big meme stock, don't want to miss it. Red box, and you can go and this was on the 28th. You go over here and you check out on the 28th. The stock opened at 340 and closed at 598. So up 75% on the week. So congrats to all subscribers who banked in RDBX. CYN, this is an autonomous vehicle company. Go in here and just, like I said, go into the symbol and type what we had to say here. And talked about this one last weekend, guys. So again, nice move here. We're finally getting some of these multi-day runners, but they're few and far in between. We're going to be talking about some Mr. Zach Morris pumps, and then the dump. But the big winner on Friday was VAXX, up 84%. Put out big news. Their enrollment in Part B of their Phase 1 clinical trial for Parkinson's disease. And what I really like about the price action in VAXX on Friday, it opened at 376. That was the low of the day, 376, and it just powered higher throughout the day. So really like the price action in VAXX. Already bidding down, though, in the after hours, 650 by 660. We'll be watching this one for dip buying opportunities. Typically, when these types of moves, you get a pullback and then retracement. We'll find support and then power higher. So we still like VAXX on the dip buy. Next up is Mr. Zach Morris Pump and Dumps. For those of you that don't know him, he's a big Twitter furu. I mean, he's touting ITP over $1. We're going over $1. He says it here, and you know, you got to understand, this guy gets in over here and then he pumps to his subscribers. His last two plays were BAOS. He's talking about them. Well, people are crying. This is when you buy, not $1.20. He's pretty ballsy on Twitter. Look at this BAOS. I mean, this is when he started pumping. You got the pump and then the dump. Same thing with BBI. I mean, look at this. You go over here and you can see here BBI. Danny Dimes is laugh out loud. BBI. What a scam by Mr. Zach Morris. So again, this is just play the pump. I've been talking about this in my weekly recaps, guys. You got to play the pump. Don't become a bag holder. These are day and swing trade, short-term momentum stock alerts. Get in, get out, move on to the next play. I cannot stress that enough. If you're playing these pump and dumps, you cannot be, just sitting and expecting moon. It's not going to happen. It's all about P&L. Don't play into the diamond hands, paper hands BS, guys. Okay. Last up is DWAC. Trump finally tweets, "I'm back, Kvefe," which is an allusion to his mistypo tweet a long time ago. A lot of talk about what's going on with Elon Musk buying Twitter and is going to let Trump back on. Even if Elon unlocks his account, there's no point in Trump tweeting on it because he's just going to hurt himself financially. And Trump, anyone knows him, all he cares about is the bottom line. He's after his, he's focused on his finances. And, he's aiming to make billions of dollars with DWAC. And the downloads are up on DWAC, so it shall be interesting to see what plays out there. 14% of the float is short in DWAC. A lot of people betting that the SEC is not going to approve the merger. But, Trump is very litigious. Does the SEC want to take on a former president? I don't think that'll set a good precedent for the SEC. I think this merger will get closed, and I think the shorts will get squeezed. Like him or not, Trump, whether, like I said, whether you like Trump or not, I'm not going to get into politics. Gotta love him for volatility and money-making opportunities. So, the guy was, quite the erratic president when he was posting on his Twitter, but the markets loved him. We got plenty of, it was great for traders, ups and downs. And again, guys, like I said, I don't talk politics. I don't care what your politics is. I'm not in love with any politician. I'm not in love with any stock. I'm in love with money. So it's all about the make money game, and that's what you should be focused on, P&L. Don't get into your politics or falling in love with any particular stock. Churn them and burn them. Make that money. Move on to the next play. Speaking of next plays, make sure you are signed up at viralstocks.io or viralstocks.io/signup. There's a link in the description, or you can sign up in one of the pop-ups. This way you don't miss any of our alerts. These are day and swing trade short-term momentum stock alerts. Play the day trade, swing trade, overnight, get in and get out, make this money. That's what we do here at viralstocks.io, and this is what we do for our subscribers. You sign up with your email and your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And since we release all of our profiles at the opening bell, text messages are the fastest way to get our full report, so you can do your due diligence and then make your own trading decision. We are not financial advisors. With that being said, let's light up the small cap market this week. Hopefully there's more runners this week than last week. Stay safe. Wish everyone a wonderful weekend, great trading week, and we'll be coming live to you on Monday after the closing bell with a new video update. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.